Hey everybody, I'm here reviewing this new extendable cell phone tripod. Bought it because I thought it'd help me out filming my videos. So far it's feeling pretty good weight actually, which is good. It feels pretty solid. This part's actually holds the cell phone. Get it open. Right, so that will just attach on top. That is the wireless remote. I'll have to set that up later. Not actually sure how to do that yet. And I believe this piece will connect to the GoPro. So the top is adjustable. Realized later after filming this, you don't have to adjust that. I mean, you point it straight up like that, then your phone's just going to point straight up and down. Alright, then you got tripod legs. And I learned later there's actually a knob at the bottom that you adjust to tighten that. Then this was pretty cool. You get to adjust the height. Got 3 or 4 different levels of height that you can raise it to. So you can actually extend that that holder there for the cell phone, and it'll just squeeze it in there to hold it. Which is very nice. Yeah, so this will adjust to, I believe, I believe it's 62 inches, which I think it's plenty high, at least for my needs. And there we go. I'm going to show you the little adjustment knob at the bottom that you can actually lock the tripod legs, make it more steady. Thanks everybody for watching, and please make sure to subscribe for more product reviews and home repairs. Thank you.